Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can clean your phones. So first of all you need to delete your photos or video that is not important, or you can also back up that in the cloud. After that you need to go to the file manager. Here you will see your available storage, and first of all clean recently deleted items. Go to there and just select all and delete permanently. After that you will see some storage will be increased. After that you need to go to the settings. After that you need to go to the additional settings. Here you can find the storage option, just click there. Here they will calculate your storage according to your folders like images, videos, audio, documents, application, apps, others, and system. Here you can see image is only 4 GB, videos is only 5 GB, and audio, document, APK is very less, but you can see apps is taking 30 GB. So we need to clean the apps. To do that we just need to click on the apps and we need to clean the apps. So first of all delete or uninstall that app that is not you are using currently. So I'm not using most of the app, I will delete first. So let's delete that. So from the app like whatever I'm not using currently, like MiFit is taking 252 MB, but I'm not using it now. I can uninstall that. Like this you can uninstall all the apps that is you are not using currently. After that, if all the apps you deleted or uninstalled, after that we need to clean the apps. So just go to the any app like Instagram is taking 301 MB. So we need to clean the cache. So you can see here the cache memory is taking 653 MB. We can clean this cache without any issue. This is 100% safe, so we can clear the cache. So, like this you can clean the cache of the all storage apps that is taking too much of the storage of your phone. So Chrome is taking too much, right? So we need to go to the Chrome. Yeah, here it is. So Chrome is taking 701 MB, too much, and you can see here the cache is 474 MB. So we need to clean the cache. Cleaning cache is also increase your phone speed. So you can clean all the apps cache from here, and after that you will see the storage. So let's go to the storage again, like in the file manager, and you can see phone storage is increased by 5 GB just cleaning by 2 or 3 apps. So like this you can clean your phones. After cleaning you just need to click on the phone manager and just optimize your phone so that it will be clean all the unwanted things. Just one touch and optimize your phone. This is how you can clean all the apps and your phone. So don't forget to clean your apps and delete your recently deleted files, temporary files you can also delete, and back up your photos. You just need to go to the settings. After that you need to go to the additional settings or whatever you have, and in the storage here you will find the all apps storage amount, and select whatever you want to delete and just delete. Thank you.